gentlemen, and the 8.1% of ladies who watch this YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be performing a test so extreme, you've never seen the likes of it. It's a feature hidden in the depths of every BMW. It's called the turn signal. We're in the 2020 BMW X4M competition. Arguably one of the most extreme SUVs on sale today. It's got performance, it's got brash styling, but does it have a working turn signal? This is what we're going to find out today. First, you might ask, where on earth is the turn signal? Well, it's right here, on the left. Really close to everything that you use on the wheel. That's the left side that works. Here's the right side that works. Excellent. We're off to a good start. I'm going to make this quick so as not to overheat the turn signals, but let's take a look outside. Here's the turn signal on the mirror. There it is on the headlamp. And it can also be seen back here on the tail lamp. Right, let's get going. You hear that clicking noise? That's the turn signal. First, let's back out of this completely empty parking space. Good. Now, as you'll see here, we're approaching a turn. How will anyone know which way I'm going to go? Turn signal. That's how people know. It's a form of communication. Ancient directional signals passed down over generations. Look how beautifully it navigated that left turn. Now, as we wait here to make our next right-hand turn, notice how the turn signal serves its purpose. I really wanted to put these turn signals through to the paces today. So, let's not even give it a break. Let's go left. Good. So far they're holding up quite well. It's always nice to give your turn signals time to cool down on the straights. But since this is an extreme turn signal test, let's go left again. These are holding up amazingly well. I wonder how long they'll last. If you've noticed, I've started engaging them early so as to get the maximum benefit. I honestly can't believe how well these turn signals are performing today. It's amazing what BMW engineers have been able to accomplish with this fate. Do you notice how they automatically turn off after you've turned them on. Incredible. It really minimises the effort and the pain, the muscles used to engage the turn signal. What if I turn left? Very fast. Excellent. Which way should we go next? How will anyone know which way we're going to go? Well, turn signal. Up here, we're approaching a traffic light. I'm going to signal early to really put it through its paces. It seems to be performing flawlessly. I've never seen the likes of it. The stop-start system is complete shit. Right, I think that's enough punishment we've put this SUV through so far today. You can tell that they're starting to overheat. The stock is getting warm. Who knew that BMW turn signals could stand such extreme usage? Not I. But now, we have learned what they can do. Thank you for tuning in and for watching this extreme turn signal test of the 2020 BMW X4M competition. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.